Hello everyone, welcome back to Best Product. In today's video, I will show you the best Android button phones. The Uniwa Duve R17 Pro combines tactile buttons, Android 13, and 4G features in a compact body. Let's get started. Product features: Android 13 and 4G video calling. Runs Android 13 and supports 4G video calls. Bring modern app support and face-to-face connectivity into a button-based design. 3.54 touch plus physical buttons. A 3.54-inch touchscreen pairs with a full keypad, giving you both tactile control and touchscreen flexibility for apps, messaging, and navigation. WhatsApp and Wi-Fi connectivity. Comes preloaded with WhatsApp and supports Wi-Fi, enabling chat, media sharing, and calls over data or wireless networks with ease. 4 GB RAM plus 64 GB storage. Equipped with 4 GB RAM and 64 GB internal memory, offering enough space and speed for apps, media, and multitasking without lag. Removable 2300 mAh battery. Battery is user removable, a rare convenience. So when life shortens battery life, you can swap it easily without replacing the phone. Compact and classic design. Combines smart functionality with a classic form factor. Ideal for users preferring button phones over full touchscreen. Less fumbling, more control. Pros: Android ecosystem in a button phone. 4G video calling capability. Dual input, keypad plus touch interface. Sufficient RAM and storage for everyday use. Removable battery adds flexibility. Lean, compact body, easy to handle. Cons: smaller display for apps may feel cramped. Battery life modest given form factor. Not full camera flagship, expect basic optics. Physical wear on keys over extended use. Performance limits with heavy apps. Final thoughts: if you want a modern, compact phone that combines Android's power with tactile buttons, the Uniwa Duve R17 Pro is a standout choice. It bridges classic usability and smart capabilities with 4G video, WhatsApp, and removable battery. It won't replace flagship phones in specs, but for those who prefer physical keys and simple usability, it's a great option. Stay efficient, stay connected. Check the price link in the description and like and subscribe to Best Product for more gadget picks.